So my preamp will be the Parasound GC2 BP, and so on we connect it to the amplifier Parasound 831. So yeah, today we're going to do a simple unbox, and let's see how it goes. Beautiful product. Here. This is basically this instructions, warranty, advertisement for room, and more information cards. Somewhere. We have our power source. Presentations look really cool. We have our trigger output, power source, some blue tapes, and we have the remote control. Today we are going to unbox one of the hottest products in the hi-fi industry, the Eversolo T8. Okay. Power source, remote, output trigger, some blue tape, so it's rechargeable via USB-C. What's this? Oh, we have something close to clear the unit, clean the unit for maintenance. We leave for the screen that is a fingerprint magnet. So yeah. Really nice presentation. Are you ready? Ta-da! Let's remove. Got the streaming transport, digital audio player. I always want to do this. So yep, this is front. See where the mileage happens here. So basically planning to use the i2 square. Also, yeah, basically it. From the i2 square to the DAC, and that's it. And also we are going to use the RG45. Okay, thank you.